Hi guys, Christmas is over. Got some Christmas baubles here that we used to hang outdoors, and the little hanger hook things are falling apart. So I could repair them. I could 3D print some new ones, but Nanny's decided these are getting a bit old anyway and worn out. The shine's going off them. So I have 3D printed some end caps, or whatever you want to call them, adapters. That's a knitting needle, 5mm diameter. So obviously I'm going to make a rubber band powered car. Now I'm not going to work hard on it. I've got this bit of cardboard that I put some axle tubes on, whatever you want to call them, for another car. So these will fit in there okay. So I will put 4 baubles on it. There you are, you can see me in the background. And we'll see how it goes as a rubber band powered car. I have got one sitting in the garage that has bigger baubles on it that I did many years ago. So if I remember, I'll put a link in the video description so you can look at that video. But yeah, it ought to run. Probably get wheel spin because they're quite small, so I'll have to add some weight to it to hold it on the ground. But yep, that's what I'll do. I'll put that together, put rubber band on it, and see how it goes. There we go. I think there's a very good chance we'll get wheel spin, because they're relatively small wheels. But we'll put some rubber bands on it and see what happens. I'll just use my usual cheap Poundland ones. Which way up should I have it? Black on top, or I suppose it looks better that way up, doesn't it? Yeah, I think there's a good chance we'll get wheel spin. I can always add some weight to stick it to the ground if necessary. No, I think that'll be okay. I'll go and put the camera down the far end and see if we can hit the camera with it. Well, that worked. Quick and simple, bit of 3D printing, job done.